Kuha yan ng liquid. Tayo sa iya. Nakuha na nag-stay.
What yung nag-stay?
Nag-stay ang liquid.
Daghan.
Uy, gisang-sayang lang may mga ice tea.
Sige, gamay
Ang
na
akong
kayo.
toyo, gidala pa na nakukuha. Ni mas ka. Daghan kayo.
Dili, gamay. Kanang siguro adyon pag agas yan, makuha dayon yun.
Dire ang kunya na 1, 2,
3.
go.
That's my best friend.
What's up everyone? I'm back with another video, and today guys, I am excited to share with you how will I restore these white shoes of mine from stain and undesirable liquids with these Crep Protect products. But in this video, I will just discuss with the Crep Protect spray, and with this Crep Protect Pure, I will just dedicate another video so that this video will not take any longer. So let's try to wet this first and see the difference after. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's wet. So now guys, let's start using the Crep Protect spray. So this is the product. This is the 200 ml super hydrophobic spray that creates an invisible coating. What it actually does is it treats the surface of your shoes and repel most liquids from absorbing in your shoes. Let's start how this spray going to protect these shoes. So now guys, the direction says here you have to clean your shoes before applying the spray. The reason being is you have to get rid of those dust or particles in your shoes or the moisture content that is present in your shoes. We are going to use our microfiber cloth here to just make sure there is no dust in the surface. If you need to use the brush, you can also use the brush to just make sure you don't have those tiny particles or dust in your shoes. By the way guys, this pair of shoes is new and this one is just newly washed. Now, the direction says here you have to spray 20 centimeters away from the shoes. That is coat number 1. We have a total of 2 coats. Now we are going to spray this product to our shoes. So this is the main event of this activity guys. So to control the splatter and the mess, I put a plastic underneath the shoes. So it says 20 centimeters away. So this will be the proximity of your spray in the surface of the shoes. So we are going to start now. But first, you have to shake well the product so that the components will be perfectly mixed. So 20 centimeter. So the smell guys is like a manicure. What do you call that? So apply it evenly and let it sit for 10 minutes. So this is the first coat guys. Let's see. I'll grab the second pair. So the other one again. So even the midsoles I apply. So depending upon usage guys, this durable treatment can last for approximately 2 weeks. And grab this pair of shoes which texture is made of suede. I know suede is repellent to water at first, but in due time it will absorb water in due time. So let's try this product in the suede surface. and let this sit for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes has passed since the first coat. Time for the second coat. So again, 20 centimeters away from the surface of the shoes. So this time around, I will have to apply just lightly because I think I have done a good job in the first coat. Like, I covered the whole surface of the shoes. Okay guys, I think the second coat is complete. So let this pair of shoes sit for another 10 minutes and after that we're good to go.
Ready, 1, 2, go. Kuha yan ng liquid. Tayo sa yan. Nakuha na nag-stay.
Wa yung nag-stay.
Nag-stay ang liquid.
Daghan.
Uy, gisang-sayang lang may mga iced tea.
Sige, gamay
Ang
na
akong
kayo.
toyo, gidala pa na ako ko, animas ka. Daghan kayo.
Dili, gamay. Kanang siguro adjud pag agas yan, makuha dayon yun. Dire ang kunya na 1, 2,
3.
go. Okay na. Alright.
Ito na sa tumoy raman.
That's it for today guys. I hope you had a great time watching this video and I hope you stay tuned for more videos like this, for I am planning to try other products from Crep Protect or from other brands on how to restore or unyellow your white shoes. So check it out soon. Till next time, thanks, bye bye.
That's my best friend.